This is Iraqi Dinar Today Latest news, and today is October 30th. Across global finance circles, a remarkable story is unfolding, one that has captured attention far beyond Iraq's borders. A currency that was once overlooked is now sparking worldwide discussion. People everywhere are asking the same thing. What exactly is happening with the Iraqi dinar, and why are so many eyes suddenly on it? The answer lies not in rumors or speculation, but in the tangible progress of a nation determined to rebuild and redefine its economy for a modern era. Over recent months, the noise surrounding Iraq's currency has intensified. Online discussions, financial reports, and countless videos have dissected every movement of the dinar. But beneath the speculation lies a deeper narrative, one rooted in real policy, reform, and measurable growth. Iraq's economy is no longer defined by instability. It's being reshaped through transparency, modernization, and careful strategy. What's driving this momentum isn't fantasy. It's the nation's commitment to sustainable development and financial independence. For years, Iraq's prosperity was tied almost entirely to oil. That dependency made the country vulnerable to global price swings and internal inefficiencies. When oil prices dipped, Iraq struggled. When they rose, much of the revenue failed to reach the people. But today, under new leadership, that dynamic is shifting. The government has been overhauling its energy sector, signing strategic contracts with major international firms that focus on refining, infrastructure, and export diversification. Revenues are now being reinvested into domestic priorities like education, healthcare, and power generation, a long-awaited change toward balanced national growth. One of the most ambitious signs of Iraq's transformation is its massive Development Road project. This $17 billion initiative aims to link the Persian Gulf with Europe through a new network of railways, ports, and highways. Ships arriving in southern Iraq will connect seamlessly through trade routes into Turkey and onward to Europe. Once operational, this corridor could generate billions in trade revenue and thousands of jobs, transforming Iraq into a central hub of global logistics. It's not just a transportation project. It's a blueprint for sustainable economic power. The momentum isn't limited to infrastructure alone. Across Baghdad, Basra, and Mosul, construction cranes once again dominate the skyline. Urban renewal projects and new residential zones are taking shape at an unprecedented pace. The new Baghdad development represents a bold step toward a modern cityscape designed for future generations. Foreign investment is steadily returning to Iraq's real estate sector, signaling confidence in long-term stability. Each new building or project represents more than architecture. It represents belief in Iraq's economic recovery. Alongside these physical changes, a digital transformation is reshaping Iraq's financial foundation. The country's banking system, once paper-based and isolated, is entering the digital age. The Central Bank of Iraq has rolled out mobile banking services, online payment systems, and international transfer capabilities. Plans are underway for a government-backed digital dinar, aimed at increasing security, reducing corruption, and making everyday transactions more efficient. These steps are helping bring millions of citizens into the formal economy while aligning Iraq's financial system with international standards. A clear indicator of Iraq's financial progress lies in its growing foreign currency reserves. The country now holds over $100 billion, a record figure that reflects years of disciplined fiscal management. This reserve acts as a safeguard for the dinar, giving the central bank powerful tools to stabilize inflation and manage exchange rate fluctuations. Such a robust reserve demonstrates Iraq's growing self-reliance and its ability to protect its currency during uncertain global conditions. At the same time, Iraq is gradually reducing its dependence on the US dollar, a shift known as de-dollarization. The central bank has started facilitating trade in other currencies like the Chinese yuan and the euro, and increasingly, in Iraqi dinars themselves. This change may sound technical, but it represents a major stride toward economic sovereignty. Conducting international trade in its own currency boosts demand for the dinar and enhances Iraq's position in regional markets, setting a precedent that neighboring nations are watching closely. The rise of Iraq's private sector marks another turning point. For decades, government employment dominated the economy. Now, entrepreneurship is flourishing. Small and medium-sized businesses are emerging in fields ranging from agriculture to technology, tourism, and logistics. International firms are forming joint ventures with Iraqi companies, introducing capital, expertise, and jobs. This diversification not only strengthens the economy, but also creates natural demand for the dinar, reinforcing its place in domestic and international markets. The Central Bank of Iraq remains at the center of this evolution. Rather than reacting to speculation or making sudden policy shifts, it has adopted a careful, data-driven approach. Reforms have included stricter anti-money laundering measures, digital oversight systems, and a commitment to monetary transparency. By emphasizing flexibility and stability, the central bank is building trust, a critical factor in currency resilience. Iraq's monetary authorities appear focused on steady, credible progress instead of dramatic gestures. Observers around the world have taken note. In a period when many economies are battling inflation and debt, Iraq's financial fundamentals are improving. The country benefits from vast oil reserves, growing gold holdings, fertile agricultural land, and a youthful population ready to innovate. This combination makes Iraq an emerging focal point in Middle Eastern economics, and the dinar a symbol of that broader transformation. International organizations have begun to acknowledge these achievements. Reports from global financial institutions highlight Iraq's fiscal discipline, modernization of its banking infrastructure, and its progress toward transparency. Recognition from such bodies not only strengthens Iraq's reputation, but also reassures investors that reforms are genuine and lasting. It signals to the world that Iraq is evolving from a post-conflict economy into a stable, self-sustaining one. Infrastructure development continues to be the backbone of Iraq's resurgence. Every new bridge, port, and railway line does more than improve mobility. It multiplies opportunities for trade and employment. The nation's construction surge provides both immediate jobs and long-term growth capacity. By connecting its industrial zones and transport corridors, Iraq is laying down the physical framework for a dynamic, interconnected economy built for the future. Equally significant is Iraq's demographic advantage. More than half the population is under 30, bringing energy and innovation into the workforce. Young entrepreneurs are launching tech startups, e-commerce ventures, and renewable energy projects. Government initiatives focused on digital literacy and business training are equipping this generation to lead Iraq's diversification efforts. Their ambition is reshaping how the country engages with the global economy, proving that Iraq's next chapter will be driven by human potential as much as natural resources. Of course, the surge of online speculation about a rapid RV or revaluation of the dinar remains a recurring theme. While such rumors fuel social media excitement, the reality is more grounded, and arguably more powerful. Iraq's steady reforms and disciplined management suggest an approach centered on gradual, sustainable currency strength rather than sudden leaps. Economists emphasize that true revaluation comes from genuine productivity and consistent policy, not from external hype. As 2025 unfolds, Iraq's economic path is becoming clearer. The national budget prioritizes diversification, infrastructure, and technology, areas designed to create jobs and stability. The central bank is expanding partnerships with international institutions and exploring ways to make the dinar more integrated into global systems. Each initiative reflects deliberate planning rather than short-term reaction, a hallmark of responsible governance and maturing economic management. The effects of Iraq's growth are not confined to its own borders. A stable and prosperous Iraq strengthens the entire region. New trade corridors could improve supply chains across the Middle East, enhance energy cooperation, and attract broader investment. If Iraq maintains its trajectory, its currency could play an increasingly significant role in regional commerce, reinforcing both domestic and regional stability. What stands out most in this story is the return of confidence. After decades of turmoil, people are starting to believe in Iraq's potential again. Investors are engaging, businesses are reopening, and international partners are returning. This renewed trust is not built on promises. It's built on progress that can be measured, verified, and seen on the ground. That's why the global conversation around the dinar feels different now. It's no longer just about speculation. It's about transformation. And as we close today's report, one truth remains clear. The Iraqi dinar story is ultimately about resilience. Iraq is not chasing miracles. but methodically rebuilding a foundation of stability and pride. Whether the currency's value changes, overnight or over years, the deeper story is one of national recovery and renewed purpose. The world is watching, not because of rumors, but because of results. The rebuilding is real, the progress is visible, and Iraq's financial rebirth is only just beginning.